The animal kingdom is full of strange and wonderful creatures, some of which seem like they belong in a fantasy novel. Today, we're diving into the world of the bizarre with 10 of the strangest animals on Earth, each with unique features that will leave you amazed. Let's dive in. Fact number 1. Pink fairy armadillo. Our first strange creature is the pink fairy armadillo, the smallest species of armadillo in the world, native to Argentina. What makes it truly unique is its pale pink, soft shell, unlike the hard armor of other armadillos. This creature is rarely seen in the wild because it spends most of its time underground, burrowing through the sand with incredible speed. Nicknamed the sand swimmer, the pink fairy armadillo is a true master of subterranean life, and its pink hue is due to blood vessels visible through its shell. Fact number 2. Axolotl. Next up is the axolotl, a strange amphibian from Mexico that never fully grows up. This salamander stays in its juvenile or larval form for its entire life, a phenomenon called neoteny. But what really sets the axolotl apart is its incredible ability to regenerate. Lose a limb? No problem. Axolotls can regenerate not only limbs, but even parts of their heart and brain. Unfortunately, they are critically endangered in the wild, though they thrive in labs and aquariums. Fact number 3. Blobfish. The blobfish is infamous for its saggy appearance and has even been dubbed the world's ugliest animal. Living deep in the waters off the coasts of Australia and New Zealand, the blobfish's gelatinous body is perfectly adapted to the high pressures of the deep sea. While it looks like a blob on land, under the crushing pressure of the ocean, its body becomes much more streamlined. Its low-density flesh helps it float just above the seafloor, where it lazily waits for food. Fact number 4. Dumbo octopus. Meet the Dumbo octopus, named after its ear-like fins that resemble Disney's Dumbo. This deep-sea dweller lives at extreme depths of up to 13,000 feet and uses its ears to gracefully swim through the water. While most octopuses use jet propulsion to move, the Dumbo octopus flaps its fins like wings, giving it a unique and adorable swimming style. These creatures are among the rarest and least understood octopuses in the world, adding to their mysterious charm. Fact number 5. Aye. The aye is a lemur from Madagascar, with features so unusual that it was once thought to be an omen of death by locals. With its large rodent-like teeth, enormous eyes, and a long bony middle finger, this nocturnal creature taps on trees to find hollow spots where insects hide. Once it detects movement, it uses its creepy finger to fish the bugs out, making it one of nature's strangest foragers. Fact number 6. Saiga antelope. The saiga antelope looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, thanks to its oversized bulbous nose. This nose isn't just for show. It helps filter out dust and cools the animal's blood during the hot summer in the steppes of Central Asia. Sadly, these odd-looking antelopes are critically endangered, with conservation efforts underway to protect their dwindling population. Fact 7. Leafy sea dragon. Looking more like floating seaweed than a fish, the leafy sea dragon is a master of disguise. Found in the waters of southern Australia, this relative of the seahorse has leaf-like appendages that help it blend perfectly into its seaweed habitat. Despite their intricate appearance, these sea dragons are not strong swimmers and rely on their camouflage to avoid predators. Fact number 8. The star-nosed mole. This next animal is as strange as it is specialized. The star-nosed mole has one of the weirdest noses in the animal kingdom, with 22 pink, fleshy tentacles surrounding its nostrils. These tentacles are covered in more than 25,000 sensory receptors, making them incredibly sensitive to touch. This mole can use its nose to identify and catch prey in a fraction of a second, making it the fastest eating mammal in the world. Fact 9. Shoebill stork. And lastly, we have the shoebill stork. The shoebill stork is known for its gigantic shoe-shaped bill, which looks too big for its head. Native to East Africa, the shoebill uses its oversized beak to catch large prey, including fish and even small crocodiles. Its prehistoric appearance, slow movements, and tendency to stand still for long periods give it an almost dinosaur-like presence. From the tiny pink fairy armadillo to the dinosaur-like shoebill stork, these animals prove that nature is full of surprises. Which animal amazed you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating facts from the Random Scroll. See you next time, my friends.